Hi, and welcome back. Here I got before me the Mijo exclusive Dodge Challenger HELLCATs. They call these the mango. I guess they're mango colors, orange and yellow. But either way, try to give you a little bit of a close up of the packaging. Personally, I'm not into the packaging. I know some of you might be, but nonetheless, these are two awesome additions. I know they gave us the previous red eye Hellcats, but nonetheless, there's only 3,000 of these, they say, made. So, big old scoop on the hood. These things look so realistic up close. I don't think the camera really does them justice. But two awesome additions. I'm super stoked to have these in my collection. I'm sure they're probably going to continue these. They'll probably make a few more colors. Did really good with the detail, the exhaust, the catback exhaust, the tail lights, the dodge across the middle there in between the tail lights. These are pretty well detailed. I don't know how I feel about the black wheels or rims, I should say. Orange on yellow. It looks alright. I don't know. I think the chrome would have stood out a little better. I don't know. I just like shiny things. But nonetheless, they did really good with this Scat Pack black tail stripe down the rear end there. With the trunk. There's not a whole lot I can say about these because, I mean, in a negative way, they look really good. I mean, if you like the Challenger, you like the Challenger. You like the HELLCAT, you like the HELLCAT. Pretty awesome. Wonder if they'll make a Demon next, the Dodge Demon. Either way, these things are very vivid in person. The detail on them is really immaculate, I must say myself. But nonetheless, I'm a Dodge fan. I got I got every Dodge they've put out from Auto World. From the old school Challengers to the Charger, 70s Charger. Either way, these are an excellent addition to any collector's that collects diecast collection. But nonetheless, I'm kind of taken back. I'm pretty stoked. Throw the Bikini Girls up on it. Finish it off with a sharp little look. And if you don't mind, like the video, dislike the video. Help me get boosted out a little bit. Get past the algorithm. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode. I'm going to upload the last two releases from Auto World. Their actual sets. Not gotten around to doing that. Both A and B for both previous sets. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Catch you on the next episode.